Twinkling lights and festive cheer. Watch BEARY Q nails for fun and glee. Sparkle this season with creativity. Go on, watch the video. What is up, my amazing, fabulous diamond cubs? I love y'all. I've missed y'all so much. I've appreciated y'all so much. I know it's been a long time, really long time since I've been on, but I tried to stay in touch via the community tab. It's been, I'm sad. It's been a long time, but sending out the kisses and positive energy like I always do. I care about y'all so much. And so I was pretty much pre-diagnosed with essential tremors, which is a neurological disease that affects your hands and your body to tremble, my head, hands, parts of my body. But we're gonna work through it, all right? I'll share more in a bit. Ooh, honey, we are going to be using these gorgeous press-it tips, these long stilettos from Not Polish. And I was going to use, of course, the Young Nails Protein Bond. I was going to use the Forever Beauty Dehydrator. I was going to use the gel, but in a take, it wouldn't work. I needed something a lot thicker. So you'll see I'm going to end up using the Born Pretty non-stick hand extension gel to apply these, and it's going to work fab. So let's get it on. All right, my love, so y'all know prep is an important step to get the nails to last long. So I take my e-file at a low speed. I think it's at like a 3 maybe or 2. And I'm just taking one of the diamond bits that's usually used for the cuticle work. And I just, scratch up and scuff up the inside, which will basically make the gel glue attach and adhere better to your natural nail. In addition to the primer, all that stuff works together to give a really good hold. So I'm just gonna do that on all these. All right, so as you can see, they're all, scuffed up and scratched. So it's gonna adhere a lot better. Now I'm gonna take the Forever Beauty. They call it a primer. However, they said that when I reached out to them, they said that it's both a dehydrator and a primer. But to me, it acts only as a dehydrator. It doesn't leave a tacky layer on your skin, on the nails. So I'm just gonna apply this to all the nails, the dehydrator, and next step. All right, honey, now we're about to go in with that Young Nails Protein Bond. It's also known as a non-acid primer. This is basically a double-sided sticky tape in a way, metaphorically, to help the nail adhere better. So yeah, I'm gonna apply that on all the nails, and I usually do one coat, let it dry. By the time I do both hands, I start back on the other hand for a second coat. Hey, my loves, it's Pedro. I'm just stopping in. Hope you're enjoying the video. I know it's a little different. It's a little weird to see me shaking. I'm sorry if it's a little weird. believe me, I feel weird posting this video, and I don't know. I have to get used to it. I'm hoping after I see the neurologist, which I have to go to rule out anything else. So I was diagnosed with essential tremor, which is not a disease, actually. It's a disorder, which means that it doesn't have a cause. And the neurologist is to basically clear me of early onset Parkinson's. So I'm nervous about that. But I've researched the symptoms, the genetic histories and all that, and pretty much I think it's essential tremors. I don't believe it's Parkinson's, but gotta go to the doctor to be sure. But I wanted to just say, I hope everybody is healthy, happy, you have some joy in your heart. It's enough negativity out there, man. Too much. So I want, from the deepest bottom of my soul, happy holidays to all of my amazing Diamond Cubs. I love y'all so much. And I want and hope that y'all enjoy this season to the fullest. Mwah. All right, so I have my Savonland flash lamp there. I didn't have the new M Shop one that I had in the last video. Check it out if you haven't. My M Shop unboxing haul. It was awesome. So I'm just going to use the actual nail to scoop out some of the gel, press it pretty thinly by the cuticle, and try to cover the area that I scuffed up, because that's going to be the area that's going to be basically the nail bed. All right, so I'm going to just apply this to my pinky first. I usually work pinky left to right. So this glue is great. It's perfect right now when my hands are shaking a lot. Holding a nail steady with a very liquid gel, it's not the tea right now, honey. So using the flash cure lamp just to flash cure for about 10 seconds, just to make sure that the nail is pretty cured on the natural nail. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on all the nails and then pop it in the lamp for a full 2 minutes. All right, here we go. The nails are on, honey. I'm going to get the file and basically round out these edges a bit. I don't want them too sharp. All right, so now I'm actually doing this for the first time. I think I might have done it before, I don't know, but I can't think of it right now. But I'm taking a little brush and taking some acetone and going around the cuticle area to basically blend that nail tip onto your natural nail, so it looks like more natural. It gives a more natural look. It looks smoother, and also it helps prevent lifting, in addition to prep, obviously, and all that. Okay, so they came out pretty good. So I'm gonna take some of this Young Nails Swipe, just use a lint-free wipe and just clean off all the residue and all that stuff. And I'm gonna go in with Born Pretty's Base Gel. I love this brush that this product has. I think it's awesome. So we're just going to do that on all the nails. By the way, to all that are watching, if you are subscribed, I thank you so, so much. Please check your bell notifications so y'all know when I have a video come up, all right? And also, if you're new here, welcome. I really hope you do decide to stay and stick around and ride this new journey that I have to get used to and work with, but we gonna be good. I would love if you can subscribe and also turn on those bell notifications. Watch the video to the end. It really helps me out. I appreciate y'all so much. And drop a comment and let me know you're new too. Love y'all. All right, now that that's all done and the base gel is all cured, we are going to be using Savvyland's Glitter Gel Polish in Glitter Black. This is a product that I got, I don't know if I bought it. Yes, I think I purchased this one, but it comes with this cute little brush. And I'm going to apply it. I didn't want to use like a bottle gel polish right now because of the shaking. So this is a thicker consistency. It goes on more like a cream. So I'm just going to place that over all the nails, cure it, and I think I'm gonna do a total of 3 layers just to get decent coverage, you know? So I know this is just black glitter, but I love the illusion it gives. It's very jelly, black, shiny. It gives chic Christmas, but I think I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do more sets, but this is going to be my Christmas set, I think, for now. I know it's as colorful or as merry and jolly, but I don't know. it's how I'm feeling, I guess. But still blessed. And I'm still sending blessings out to all of y'all. Positive thoughts, positive vibes as always. All right, so we're out of the lamp. This is what we're looking like after, I believe it was 3 coats that I put. I know we're gonna take the Born Pretty top coat. This is a super top coat. If you haven't seen that video, go back to the BEARY Q Nails binge watch playlist, and it is the top coat showdown. And this top coat won. But yeah, hi Gucci. She just came by and just said hi. So I've been going through and trying different methods to see what is gonna work best for me right now. Acrylic is possible for me, but it takes a lot longer. This video in real time took me about almost 3.5 hours, just because of the shakes and stuff was like preventing me, or I made a mistake and I had to clean it up. So I just got to get adjusted. I have to wait for the neurologist and see for sure what it is. Then they can prescribe me something, and then hopefully the tremors go away if a medication is prescribed. But we'll see. It's all up in the air now. All right, my loves, I'm about to go in with this gorgeous Kiara Sky Cuticle Oil in the scent of lavender. It smells amazing. It has your skin feeling like silk. It is so soft. I love it. So apply it nicely on your cuticle area. Hydrate at least once a day. Keep your skin around your nails nice and right. So yeah, this was my first video back after, I had a couple people saying about, my shaking, but I got through it. We got the nails on and they don't look terrible. I love y'all so much. I appreciate the support. Pushing that positive energy out. I love y'all. Peace.